Top 5 Day Trading Books for Beginners. Interactive Day Trading, Ultimate Trading Guide. Interactive Day Trading, Ultimate Trading Guide is a day trading book that covers everything from getting started, technical trading, indicators, company fundamentals, various ways of finding stocks, and a step-by-step trading checklist to help you minimize loss. It also includes a video course and quizzes to help traders master each concept. This book is unique because it includes a lot of visuals, is written in layman terms, and includes a video course where the author explains each topic in depth. What I liked about this book was that instead of a long list of information, the author gives actionable strategies. A Beginner's Guide to Day Trading Online by Tony Turner. A popular educator in the financial industry, with over 14 years of experience in the trading field, Tony Turner has compiled a great guide to day trading that offers beginners all the tools they need to better understand the market. She talks about all the available strategies that can be used by beginners, while also tapping into her own experience, depicting how unprofitable her early trading days were. This instills a welcome degree of confidence in many beginner day traders. An added bonus for many of the readers out there is that she understands and highlights the psychological complexity behind day trading. Her simple and unambiguous writing style helps readers avoid many of the most common mistakes out there and points out to certain moves that can be too risky for the attached reward. All in all, this is another great book that you can't do without if you intend to explore the complexities of day trading. The links to buy these books can be found in the description. How to Day Trade for a Living. The author himself, Andrew Aziz, begins by telling his own trading story, one that can be relatable to many fresh day traders out there. In his very first days of trading, Aziz got lucky with a pharmaceutical product that earned him $6,000 in a matter of minutes. Soon after, he managed to lose it all, since he did not yet have the necessary knowledge to sustain other, more calculated investments. He thus uses his own story as a cautionary tale for those who are just starting out with day trading and who may not yet understand that day trading is more than gambling or a mere hobby, but an actual job that can return considerable profits. Aziz has a very concise and accessible writing style that makes this book a super helpful and easy-to-follow beginner's guide to day trading. His candor and willingness to help day traders jumpstart their trading careers are actually checked and proven by the many 5-star reviews that claim Aziz's book to be a reference study in the field of day trading for many years to come. Technical Analysis of Financial Markets. A comprehensive guide to trading methods and applications by John J. Murphy. This landmark bestseller was written in 1999 but is still a top seller on Amazon. This easy-to-comprehend reference guide goes deep into technical analysis and trading theory and includes charts and graphs to illustrate its points. Technical Analysis of Financial Markets teaches you how to read charts and the importance of technical analysis, and covers candlestick charting, intermarket relationships, and stock rotation. The author offers a study guide that includes quizzes to help you understand and digest the information. Start day trading now. A quick and easy introduction to making money while managing your risk, Mitchell Sincere. Written from the perspective of an experienced trader, this book centers on technical analysis and also offers some invaluable money management lessons. It initially centers on charts, patterns, and indicators. You'll then be walked through the practicalities of making your first trade. You also benefit of hearing from interviews with experienced traders, hopefully enabling you to avoid any of the pitfalls they fell down at. Plus, at less than 200 pages, this book is an easily digestible read for the aspiring trader. Thanks for watching and hope you found the video useful. Good luck with your day trading journey. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos and shop through Enda's Amazon affiliate links in the description to support his work for free. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.